Week 6 quiz was on capacitance in AC. This is the Microsoft Word version of the quiz. The same content is in D2L. Let's go over that quiz now. Number 1, capacitive reactance is measured in what units? That's ohms. Capacitive reactance is a current limiting effect. So the correct unit of measurement is ohms because it's current limiting. Number 2, in a purely capacitive circuit, the current leads the applied voltage by how many degrees? So it's a pure capacitive circuit, so the answer is 90 degrees. Number 3, capacitive power is reactive and is measured in what units? That's VARs, volt amp reactive. For number 4, we're given this formula for capacitive reactance. A 10 microfarad capacitor is connected in a series circuit with an applied 60 Hertz voltage of 120 volts. What is the capacitive reactance? Excuse me. So here's that same formula. Capacitive reactance equals 1 over 2 pi times frequency times capacitance. So here we're plugging in the values, and notice I'm using the decimal form of the capacitance. So 10 microfarads is the equivalent, or is the same as 0.00001 farads. And when you do the math, you get a capacitive reactance of 265.3 ohms. Number 5, true or false? Capacitive reactance is inversely proportional to the capacitance of the capacitor and the frequency of the AC voltage. That's true. So if we look at the formula for capacitive reactance, we see that frequency and capacitance are under 1, so it's 1 divided by 2 pi frequency and capacitance. So that means, as for example, if frequency increases, capacitive reactance will decrease. Or if capacitance increases, capacitive reactance will decrease. So that is an inversely proportional relationship. Number 6, true or false? Current flows through capacitors in DC circuits. That's false. Current does not flow through capacitors. Number 7 is also false. Current flows through capacitors in AC circuits. That's false. It appears that current is flowing through the capacitor in AC, but really it's not. Again, if current flows through a capacitor, that means it's flowing through the dielectric. That is leakage current, and that means that the capacitor is bad. Number 8, true or false? In a purely capacitive circuit, there is no true power or watts. That's true. We only have reactive power. There is no resistive element in a purely capacitive circuit, so there is no true power. Number 9, true or false? Capacitive VARs and inductive VARs are 180 degrees out of phase with each other. That is true. We actually saw that in the slides. Number 10, the Q, or quality, of a capacitor is the ratio of the resistance to the capacitive reactance. That's true. If you look at the textbook reading or Appendix B, you'll see how that is explained.